So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix water leaking under MOVA Z60 Ultra water tank. If there's water leaking from the water tank on the base station or on the robot, we'll talk about both of them. First, let's talk about the base station water tank. If you open the door on the top of the robot, it's base station, you can remove the clean or dirty water tank. I'll focus on the clean one, but the dirty has a similar way of functioning. It's just simpler, so it has like less ways to go wrong for it. The clean one has this tube that the dirty one doesn't. Try removing it and reseating it because it may cause problems. So you need to pull the tube up. Then you can see it's now removed like that. And then you should put it back in. So just press it in until it clicks. Okay, you can see now it's not properly inserted yet. It has to click there. Okay, now it's steady. Then here there's the water inlet or water outlet, depending on which water tank you're trying to fix, and make sure that it doesn't have any scale on it. If it does, try cleaning it with a brush, with a needle. Make sure there's a proper water flow possible. And then make sure to reseat the water tanks inside. Now that should help. Now let's talk about the water tank on the robot. There's just one water tank, even though, there's one on the inside that you can't use, but there's this dirty water tank on the, that can be removed physically. And that one, once you press on this button, you will be able to pull it out. And then make sure that all the holes here are also not dirty with some some scale, lime scale, stuff like that. And then also once it's removed, look here. It's not very well visible right now, but there are like 2 holes on this bottom part, this floor part, and make sure they are not stuffed with something. And also there are these 3 holes here on the inside. There's like this one here, and there are 2 other ones here and here. And also make sure to clean them, and I believe that that should fix the issue. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.